Hi, my name is Junwei and my metric number is B0620104220. During the next few seconds, I want to talk about the introductions of Shopee, which is AI technology and also emerging technology. Shopee, one of the leading mobile e-commerce platforms in Southeast Asia, once began as a C2C platform but later on evolved into a B2C marketplace, focusing on serving customers across the regions. Pioneers and Shopee have partnered together to offer easy, affordable payment solutions for sellers who want to grow their business.
My name is SITI RABIATUL ADAWIYAH BINTI AMJANI. My metric number is P0620100264. Emerging technology by AI Shopee. The term technology rose to prominence within the 20th century in reference to the second technological revolution. The term meaning modified in early 20th century that younger man of science translate idea from German talk of technique into technology, a system steam powered by AI technology embedded into its mobile app. Emerging technology may be a term typical one to describe a brand new technology, rising technology, additional concern with continued development of associate degree existing technology. However, it is slightly totally different. Shopee, an internet platform that connects shoppers and sellers across geographical area. Taiwan has become a formidable force within the growth of e-commerce, information science, and AI technologies. Rising technology embraces a suite of technologies like instructional technology, data technology, scientific discipline, psychotechnology, artificial intelligence.
Technology generates wealth when it used to achieve a desired strategic or operational objective for an organization. Our technology position is to assist the asset managers in developing exclusive client offices. Systems can be used the data obtained as well as consumers' information to decide which goods they should invest or where their money should allocate it. Other than that, we also come across the term wealth management as one of the most influential sectors in any economy. Moreover, science and technological change is the guiding force behind the research and economic strategies to ensure the economic growth and the process. However, it is also raises the social prosperity on the one hand, which is by increasing wages and health levels, and on other by creating some social problems.
My name is Tay Shan Zhi and my number of metrics is B0620101229. Acquisition is a way of company gains the technology needed for its own business. There are two types of acquisition, which are internal acquisition and external acquisition. Shopee mainly obtains their technology through internal acquisition. This is because Shopee does a research and development process. Shopee is categorized as a reposition service is because Shopee has implemented a major change in their service.
Hi everyone and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti NURFATIHAH binti DZUNNUR. My metric number is B0620100176. Today I want to explain about the exploitation method is consists with producing profit. There are three of sub-process of exploitation which are commercialization, technology transfer and technology utilization. Commercialization are used by Shopee as one of the technologies used to introduce their service. Shopee use product delivery and manufacturing process such as commercial technologies to market and distribute their product in ASEAN countries such as Malaysia. This is because Shopee app is very popular because of the manner which is their commercial their service by selling goods in partnership with their organization.
Identification is to classify technologies that may be applicable and bring benefits to the business. Shopee did the auditing, which is they need to find who wants the information, followed by the questions such as where and how to look for the information. During big promotions such as yearly 11/11 and 12/12 shopping extravaganzas, Shopee's sophisticated model relies on data to provide useful recommendations to the consumers. Shopee also did the pest analysis that may be hurdles to the business.
Learning is a dynamic process which helps tasks to be performed more effectively via repetitions and experimentation. The key of competitive advantage is the rate at which a firm develops or acquires technological capabilities rather than technologies. At Shopee, they value learning. Shopee Academy takes pride in close partnership with all leaders, teams, and individuals in Shopee to co-create learning solutions that work for them.
Hey everyone, my name is Chia. I'm from BTMM, Session 1 Group 1. My metric number is B0620100458. Today I'd like to present about the protection and technology life cycle. What is technology protection measure? Technology protection measure, also known as technical measure. The MCA define it as any technical means that can effectively control access to copyright works and effectively protect the rights of copyright owner. Technology protection measure are usually divided into two types, which are access control technological protection measure and copy control technology protection measure. The example for access control technological protection measure is Shopee operating system requires user to pass legal activation program to run normally. For copy control technological protection measure, Babylonia have developed a kind of network box for 3D printers through which designer can encrypt their files.
Hello everyone. Selection requires the important decision to be made for technologies and business model that should be supported by the organization. In Shopee, strategy analysis focus on gap analysis and value analysis. The type for competitive position in Shopee is dominant, while technology competitive is weak because that firm have to invest in order to support its existing market's dominance. Next, gap analysis for Shopee might attempt to measure strength and weakness with respect to the fit between technological and organizational competencies. The criteria of core competency for Shopee is based on provide potential access to a wide variety of markets, make a significant contribution to the precise customer benefit of the end product, and be difficult to competitor to imitate. Lastly, the selection of core competencies is affected by the level of technology and organizational competencies available in the company.
Emerging stage is a startup point which is consumer demand is reduced due to lack of experience with the functionality and output of the new product. There is also a shortage of complementary goods. They also reduce the viability of the products. Secondly, in the growth stage, the commodity steadily gains the interest from the wider consumer sector. And they also increase the value of the commodity to increase the satisfaction of the consumer.
The other stage for technology life cycle are maturity stage and decline stage. At maturity stage, technology starts to slow as concept becomes standardizing. When maturity comes, the options from technology are high and stable, but there is also a saturation point. In order to remain operate in the market, it is important for Shopee to make increasing and innovation changes in technology. Next, decline stage. Decline stage is the stage when the functional and potential value to be involved in producing and selling a product begins to decline. A decline stage is inevitable in most cases, and when Shopee sees its product sales fall, new alternative will need to be emerged. For example, the live streaming function.
Next task now is to present the use to carry out technology management and incorporate into the daily routines of the Shopee. The first two technology management is pattern analysis and portfolio management. Let us to talk about the pattern analysis. There is a type of protection for protect the Shopee intellectual asset, include knowledge and expert embedded in product, service, or manufacturing process. Besides, portfolio management is the core process of protection to achieve the protection capability of Shopee.
Road mapping is planning strategy to facilitate strategy and long-term planning by combining short-term and long-term priorities with practical technology solution. Shopee integrates technological mapping as part of their strategy planning. This curve describes how the supply, demand, and profit work in a fast-growing market.
Shopee also involved in the stage gate and value analysis. Stage gate is a project management technique in which separate a new project into different stages. In every stage, Shopee has to make decision whether to keep on going the developing process or not. There are 6 steps, which are idea generation, scoping, building business case, development, testing, launch stage. This stage helps Shopee to reduce error and concentrate on the right plan. Value analysis is an interdisciplinary problem-solving activity in editing the value for the product or service. Shopee needs to process the 6 processes, which are preparation and orientation, information, function, solution, value, and implementation process.
In conclusion, Shopee is an application that uses an AI technology to provide variety of smart and intelligent products to the customers. It is an emerging technology that can describe brand new technologies and rising technologies. Shopee offers a general overview of the products to the customers so that the refined specifics can be further supported by the customers. Shopee also applies technology management activities, which is acquisition, exploitation, identification, learning, protection, and also selection to keep their business up to date with the new data and new technologies.
In conclusion, Shopee will grow more rapidly and become more bigger in the market. Shopee have many benefits such as promotion in every month, fast delivery and customer service also going well. In the future, Shopee also can help the country's economy to grow rapidly and the progress of the country will continue to grow. Thank you.